Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine, and you all are fighting and you all are together for this coronavirus. In this crucial time, I have realized that due to the heavy demand, this mask is getting very costly, and it is not safe also because the mask you are purchasing, it is new or it is a recycle one, because I have some information that people are selling the reused mask or used mask. So I thought it is better to prepare it at the home. Friends, today I'm going to tell you about the mask, how you can prepare at your home with the waste material. What I'm using, you are getting nowadays, after polythene is banned, so we are getting these sort of bags from the market, from the stores, right? So what we have to do, we have to cut in the appropriate size. I have already sterilized this bag, and then I am using it for I have cut it in the appropriate size. You have to give, I am here giving 3 pleats for that, by which I could be easily having a space for breathe. So what you have to do, the first pleat, I'm just using my stapler to just fix it. Likewise, we have to make 3 pleats. The base is prepared. This is elastic, easily available in the market. You have to turn by the corners, fix it like I'm fixing here. You can take the measurement prior to this, so that it will be fixed to your ears. So now one side is prepared. I have to do it for the next side. The same. And the most important thing, why this idea comes in my mind, because the cost, it may be not so much for us, but the people who are not who cannot buy this from the market, or this is expensive for them, so we can donate it in numbers. Means if you have some friend circle, so you can prepare it at your home, 50, 100, whatever amount you want, and you can donate it to the people who cannot afford it. Corona is not the fight of yours only. It's a complete togetherness and teamwork. So we have to be very careful about the society also. So this is prepared. You can check. There is a proper space, proper ventilation, and I'm using it for last 1 week. So you can fix it with this elastic, or you can also use the rubber band if you don't have the elastic. What you have to do, if you want to use it rubber band, you have to fix here only rubber band and staple it here. So that will be more easy. For that you don't have to buy anything elastic or something. You can use it immediately. By collecting these bags, you can make a bulk, and you can donate to anybody else, and you can use also for yourself, because it is a thing, it is required for a week. After that you can dispose it, right? So but whenever you disposing this, you please ensure that it could not be used again. So you may cut it, you may torn it, but ensure that it could not be used again, right? I'm just adjusting because it is a bit loose. So you can better measure first if you're preparing for yourself, and then you just cut that elastic. There is no rocket science, but it is a view, it is an idea came in my mind that why don't we use our own mask, and by this you can donate to many people. It will be very helpful. So please comment me if you like it, and if you really opt it, then too you just comment me and tell me what is your experience to help other who are not able to buy it. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. This is a humble request, but share this video like anything. Thank you so very much. Together we can defeat Corona. Thank you.